Good morning, students. You are most welcome in this session. Today, I am going to teach you data handling of class 6. Okay, so what is the data handling? First, I have written one example. Have a look. Example is the number of children in 25 families of a colony are given below. In a colony, there are 25 families, and in that families, first family have 2 children, second no children, 2 children, 4 children, 2 children. This is the given information in the numerical. Okay, this is the numerical observations. Now, if this values whatever given, this is known as the data. Okay, so data, first number here I have written that what is the data. Data means the information. What is the information? Number of children in 25 families. This informations written in numerical figures. These are the numerical figures 2 0 2 4 2 1 3. Okay, this is the numerical figures. And when the observations are given in the numerical figures is known as data. What is the data? When the informations are given in the numerical figure, these are the numerical figures. Okay, so that's why it is known as the data. I hope data it is clear. 1 2 3 whatever given, this is known as the data. And what second is raw data. What is raw data? Raw data means when the data given in means as usually, there is no change. If you don't change anything, it means you can say original data whatever you got, this is known as the raw data. When you change it, okay, when you write this data in the form of means ascending order or descending order, when you write it, is known the array. Second, third number array. When you write the raw data, what is that? Original data whatever given, and data numerical figures. Numerical figures is data, that is the original data. And array, when you arrange data in ascending or descending order, that is array. Okay, and when the data you represent in the tabulation, I will make in table. Okay, when you represent data in a table is known as tabulation of data. Okay, first, and then I will teach this one. First, I make one. We arrange the data in the tabulation form. Okay, so when your first work that arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Simply we arrange this one in ascending order. You have to make array first. So what information what observation you get here? So each family have one. How many types? How many children? That is list 0 1 2 3 4. Maximum number of children is 4 here. So first write that 0 we don't write. We write 1. Or okay, observation 0 is given, so you have to write a 0. How many zeros given? 0 0 2 zeros given. Okay, now 1. How many ones given? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write 6 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 ones and 2. How many 2? 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 twos. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have written 9. Oh, no, 9 nines. No, 23, 29. Yes, 9. Oh shit. So sorry, that is not 9. That is 2 returns 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you have to write twos how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you got it. Now 3. How many threes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 threes I have written. Now 4. How many 4? 1, 2, 3. 3 fours. Okay. We arrange the raw data. This is the raw data in ascending orders. Okay. So this is known as the array. So you have to first make array. Now you make the table. Okay. Now, so what is that information given? So you have to write first informations or observation. Observation. What is observation? How many types of number you got? That is the observation. Observation what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are known as observations. Okay. So first in table you write observation. Which are observation? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 observations have been given. Second, you have to write the tally marks. And the third column you will write number of families. So this is known as also frequency. Okay. Now you have to put the tally marks. If there is 0, 1, so for 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, another tally marks. Okay. How many numbers? 2 numbers. So you write down 2. And 1. How many ones have been given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So write down tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4. When you write 4 tally marks, then you will cut like this and count as 1. So total you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and when you cut tally mark, that is 5th. 5th, one more you have to write and that is 6. Now how many 2's? How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you write 5, cut this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9. So how many? There is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now 3s. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And now 4. 3 times. 1, 2, 3 tally marks. Okay. That is 3 and that is 5. When you count total, it will be 25. 25 families, so it will be 25. Now count 6 to 8. 8 and 9, that is 17, 17 and 3 20, and that is 25. Okay, so once again, so now data, what is the data? This the information given in numerical figures is known as the data. These are the data. Okay, and raw data, what is the raw data? Which is original data, where you don't write in ascending or descending order, original form, that is known as the raw data. And array, what is the array? When you write the data in ascending or descending order is known as the array. Okay, and now we did the tabulation of the data. When data is represented in the table, that is known as the tabulation of the data. And what is the observations? These are the observations. Okay, and now frequency of an observation, also this is the frequency of observation, 2, 6, 5, and total is 25. Okay, here also observation, once again observation, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 types of observations given. Okay, and so now in telemarks you will put, if there are 2 zeros given, so you have to draw 2 vertical line. Okay, and that is known as a telemark. Okay, and for 5 there are given 1. How many 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you draw first 4 vertical line and then cut it and count 5, and one more you have to draw the telemark, that is 6. Okay, as usual you do that. This is known as the frequency table. Okay, and at last, what is the statistics? The science in which you study what about the arranging, the collection, the presentation, analysis, and the interpretation of numerical data is known as the statistics. It is the part of science also. Okay, I hope you got it. So now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.